and how are you? I hope students you all are safe at your home and you are taking the precautions regarding coronavirus. Student, in this lecture we are going to learn geography subject lesson number 2. Let us use the gratitude. Okay, students, you already learned this lesson. Now in this video we will see their question answer. We will see the exercise. Okay, now we will move the exercise. So first question number 1a. Place a tick mark against the correct option. Students, here have given the three options. Two options is wrong and one is the correct. So we have to find out the correct option. Okay, now first question. 66 degree 13 minute north parallel. 66, we can help of this diagram. What? 66 degree 13 minute north parallels. Which one, students? Arctic circles. Which one, student? Arctic circles. Now next one. Which parallel bisect the earth? Bisect will make the equals two parts. So which parallel bisects the earth? Which lines make the two parts of the earth? Which lines is? So equators parallel bisect the earth. Now student, third one. What is the angular distance of the Arctic circles from the North Pole? From the North Pole. So which one, students? 23 degree 30 second. Third option is correct. Now students, fourth one. Where do the prime meridians and the equator intersect each other? Where the prime meridian and the equator intersect each other? So Atlantic Oceans. Where, student? Atlantic Oceans. Now fifth one. Up to which parallels from the equators can the sun's rays be perpendicular? Okay. So what is the answer? Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. What is, students? Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Now students, next one. What would be the latitude of the place of the South Pole? What would be the latitude of the place of the South Pole? So what is the South Pole's degree? 90 degree south. First option is correct. I hope students you understood the answers. Now student, next one. Question number 2 means B. Read the following statement and correct the wrong ones. Which is the wrongs we have to correct. Okay, see. While describing the location of the place, maintaining the meridians is sufficient. No, it is wrong. It is the wrong statement. So what is the correct option? While describing the location of a place, mentioning the meridian as well as parallel is essential. Students, sufficient is their words. We have to cut there and we have to write meridian as well as parallels is essential. What do we write, students? Parallels is essential. Okay, this meridian's line is not sufficient. We have to mention the meridian's lines as well as parallel also. Okay, now next one. For describing the extents of a region, it is necessary to assume the latitude and longitude of the center of the adjoining regions. No, this is the wrong statement. Second answer, students, wrong statement. So what is the correct? For describing the extents of a region, it is necessary to assume two latitude and two longitude at the extreme end of the same regions. Okay, students, understood? Two latitudes and two longitude at the extreme end of the same regions. Now student, third one. Location of a road can be described only with a map? No. So this statement also is wrong. So location of a road can be described by map as well as GIS, GPS. Okay. Now next one, 0 degree east meridian and 180 degree east meridian. So student, it is the 0 degree east meridian, 180 degree east meridian. It is correct? No, it is the wrong. Only 0 degree meridians and 180 degree meridians. Now student, next one, fifth. The extent of a road or a river course is described with the help of the latitude of the point in the source and the longitude of a point and the end. Student, this statement also is wrong. So what is the correct answer? The extent of a road or a river course is described with the help of the latitude of a point as well as longitude of a point in the source and the longitude of a point as well as latitude of the point at the end. Now student, next one, 8 degree 4 minute north parallel to 37 degree 66 minutes north parallel is the correct description of the location? No, that this statement also is wrong. So what is the correct? 8 degree 4 minute north parallel to 37 degree 66 minutes north parallel is the incomplete descriptions of a location as it expresses only a latitudinal speed of a location. Speed of location. I hope students you understood question number B. Now student, we will move the next one. So what is the student next one? Find the location of the following cities from the world map, a map of India or globes, and write down the latitude and longitude of each of them. We have to find out the longitude and latitude. Okay. Now first Mumbai. So what students? 90 degree north latitude and 37 degree east longitude. Now next one, Guwahati, 26 degree north latitude and 91 degree east longitude. Now next one, Srinagar, 34 degree north latitude and 75 degree east latitude. I hope students you understood. Now next one, Bhopal, 23 degree north latitude and 77 degree east longitude. Chennai, 13 degree north latitude and 80 degree east latitude. Ottawa, 45 degree north latitude and 76 west longitude. Tokyo, 36 degree north latitude and 140 degrees longitude. Johannesburg, 26 degrees south latitude and 28 degrees east longitude. New York, 41 degree north latitude and 74 degree west longitude. Now London, 52 degree north latitude and 0 degree 8 minutes west longitude. I hope students you understood this one. Now next one, find and write down the extent the following. Okay, we have to with the help of the internet and mobile we have to find out. Okay, here is the Maharashtra. So 16 degree 3 minutes north latitude to 22 degree north latitude and degree is longitude. Now next one, Chile country, 16 degree south latitude to 56 degree south latitude and 70 degree 42nd west longitude to 70 degree west longitude. And next one, Australia, 10 degree 41 minutes south latitude to 43 degree 38 minutes south latitude and 113 degree 9 second east longitude to 153 degree 38 second the east longitude. Now next, Sri Lanka, 6 degree 48 minute north latitude to 9 degree 50 minute north latitude and 79 degree 42nd east longitude to 81 degree 45 minute east longitude. I hope students you understood this. Now next question, draw the importance parallels and meridians in the figures given below and label them appropriate and angular measure. Student, question number 3 I have solved here. Okay, we have to draw the parallels and meridians lines. Okay, in middle equators, in middle, first one student, this is the north pole and this is the south pole. N means north and S means south pole. In this line, which one student? Arctic circle that measures how much? 66 degree 30 minutes north, and here Antarctic circles 66 degree 30 minutes south. Here Tropic of Cancer 33 degree 30 minutes north and Tropic of Capricorns, how much students? 23 degree 30 second south. Okay, this north and south. Students here measure this measure is same. Okay, is the Atlantic circles, this and this one is the Antarctic circle. Okay, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, and in middle line is the equators. Now student, next one, importance. Okay, write the importance parallels. Okay, which is the importance parallels student? This one, Atlantic circles, Tropic of Cancer, equator, Tropic of Capricorns. This one I have written here. Atlantic circle 66 degree 30 minutes north, Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 minutes north, and equator how much? 0 degree. Tropic of Capricorns 23 degree 30 minutes south, and Atlantic circle 66 degree 30 minutes south. And importance meridians, which is the importance meridians? 0 degree meridians and 180 degrees meridians. I hope students you understood. We solved the full exercise. I hope students you understood and you will note down in your notebooks. Okay, thank you.